Hi everyone, welcome to ToupTek Astro. Today, I will introduce our new astronomical product, Astro Automatic Focuser, the AAF. I will show you this engineering prototype and its accessories. First, you can see an AAF quick guide. And then, here is the main body of our AAF. This is a connection plate to connect the AAF body and telescope focuser mount. Each electric focuser is equipped with 4 different sizes of flexible couplers to adapt the different rotating shaft diameter of the telescope focuser mount. We also offer a braided USB Type-C data cable. With the large angle bands data cable, you can arrange these data cables very easily. This is the temperature probe, which is able to detect ambient temperature. With autofocus function in some software, autofocus will be triggered when the temperature changes. This realizes more accurate focusing during long-time imaging. In addition, each AAF is equipped with a simple hand controller to manually operate the electric focuser when the autofocus is not in use. At last, we also provide you with some accessories, including 2 M3 screws for connecting the electric focuser and the telescope focuser mount, 4 M4 screws for connecting the connecting plate, electric focuser, and the telescope focuser mount, 2 M5 screws for adapting the different telescope focuser mounts to the connection plate, and 4 gaskets to prevent screws from scratching the telescope focuser mount. At the same time, we also provide 4 hex wrenches for you to easily install. Thanks for your watching. For more ToupTek products information, please follow us on Facebook at ToupTek Astronomy Cameras and Instagram at ToupTek Astro to stay updated with our latest products, photography tips, and promotions.